In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get full view mode in TradingView 2025. If you've ever felt cramped by side panels or menus while analyzing charts, full view mode is the simplest way to maximize your workspace and focus on price action. It expands the chart area and minimizes on-screen distractions, which is especially helpful when presenting, recording, or just trying to see more candles and indicators without constant scrolling. First, head to your TradingView chart. Open TradingView in your browser or app, sign in if needed, and load any symbol you want to analyze. Once the chart layout opens, give it a second to fully load your indicators and drawings. You should see the chart in the center with your watch list and other tools around it. This is the normal view where most editing and setup happen. Next, click on the full screen mode control to enter full view. This control is typically located near the top right area of the chart panel and often looks like a square with outward pointing corners. Depending on your layout and screen size, you may need to hover your mouse over the chart for those overlay controls to appear. When you click it, the chart instantly expands, hiding most sidebars and headers, so the price action fills the screen. Your indicators, drawings, and templates stay intact. Nothing is removed, just presented with more space, so you can see more bars and finer detail at a glance. A quick note on what this mode does and doesn't do. TradingView's full view is different from your browser's full screen mode. It optimizes space within TradingView, while your browser full screen affects the entire window and operating system UI. If you need the absolute largest view possible, you can pair your browser's full screen with TradingView's full view. But the key step here is simply clicking TradingView's own full view control. To exit, hover near the top or edges if the controls are hidden, then click the same full screen icon to return to your regular layout. You can also press escape on most setups to leave full view quickly. If a panel seems to disappear in full view, just move your cursor to the edge to reveal controls, then exit back to normal view to adjust your layout. That's all there is to it. Go to your chart, then click the full screen mode button. Use this mode whenever you need maximum clarity, during deep analysis, sharing your screen, or capturing clean screenshots. Thanks for watching and enjoy a cleaner, more focused TradingView experience.